You cannot be no punk in business, dog. You ain't about to make no $1 million. You ain't about to see no real money, none of that. If you out here scared, y'all. Like, you got to be able to take adversity. You got to be able to handle late bills. You got to be able to handle pressure, debt, all type of stuff. If you can't handle it, if you scared of little shit like that, you can't make it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Let me ask y'all something. Why are y'all so scared to do stuff? I know it's not y'all, my subscribers, but I mean other people. Why are people so scared to do stuff? Just do it, man. Stop being scared. Ain't nothing gonna happen. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, you lose your car. Okay, you lose your place. Okay, you lose all the money you had. But guess what? It's always more where that came from. We come from abundance. Like, you know what I mean? We come from infinite. What are you scared of? Stop being scared and do it. So what if you lose? Turn around and go get another one. Who cares? Ain't nobody scared of that, man. You know, my daddy was around in my life. Well, not I won't say in my life, but was living with us in our family for all the way until I was 8 years old. So I had 8 years of my dad being in the house with me, and that 8 years did make a huge difference because it taught me how to be a family man. It taught me some things. So I was lucky enough to have those 8 years, even though I didn't get the full time with him, because when he left, he left. You know what I mean? So, but during those 8 years, he taught me. If he didn't tell me nothing, he didn't give me a lot of advice. He wasn't one of those fatherly type of dads and nothing like that. But one thing he always said, though, repeatedly, is be tough. That's all he ever said. Be tough. Don't cry and don't be scared. He always taught me not to be scared of nothing. And even if I was scared of something, I better act like I ain't scared and do it anyway. And that's the way I always carry myself. So I can't stand being scared of stuff, y'all. Like, I feel like I ain't no punk. I mean, I ain't soft. Ain't nothing soft about me. So I feel like if I'm scared to do something, even in business, if it's a deal or whatever, then I gotta go ahead and face that and get over that, because I don't play that being scared stuff. You know what I mean? So, and that's how you need to carry it. Like, ain't nothing gonna happen. Tell you the truth, whenever I get uncomfortable, because I ain't getting scared, I might get uncomfortable here and there. Like right now, I'm working on this deal. I'm trying to get this fourplex. I'll let y'all know if it go through or not. And I ain't gonna lie, I got a real little self-conscious there yesterday, and I got real nervous. But you think I'm gonna back out? No. Did the thought cross my mind? Yeah. I already just pull out. Oh no, just looking for stuff. You know what I mean? So, but really, I'm gonna just go through it, do what I ran in my head, do what I ran on my paper when I wrote it down, my numbers and all of that, and I'm gonna go for it. It's either it's gonna go through it or it ain't gonna go through. And then if I get it and it's something so wrong with it to the point where I can't even fix it or whatever the case is, so what? It's a learning experience, and I know that I fucked up somewhere in the planning department. And I just know what to do and what not to do the next time around. It's easy stuff, y'all. But it's nothing to be scared of out here. And another thing, if you're trying to do something, whether it be business or real estate or whatever, do it. Just do it. Stop where you're at right here, right now. Do it, y'all. It's nothing to be afraid of. Just do stuff. Do it. I mean, you plan it out. You run your numbers. You do your research. But do it. Most importantly, please do it. Because even if you decide to just go do something and you don't even plan it out, at least after that time when you do it and you fuck up because you didn't plan, at least you know now, alright, well, next time when I do it, I'm going to do it better than this. Really, you can almost do stuff forever and never even plan it out, because you can always just keep doing it and over and over again until you get it right. And that's your plan right there. Now, that's not a smart way to do it. That's the long way to do it. But, I mean, that's what my point is. I'm trying to drive home how important it is just to do it. Most people do all this planning, all this writing, get all excited, and then never do nothing. They lose momentum, and there they go, still at the job. Come on, y'all, wake up. It's time to get it. Like, we in a different time period right now, and you're going to miss the boat. Because a lot of people are becoming entrepreneurs. A lot of people are getting into real estate. A lot of people are figuring out ways to go outside of a job. And I'm telling you, it's getting to the point, I told y'all this before, it's getting back to the future where you got more farmers and more independent contractors and stuff than you have workers, because really the good jobs are disappearing. If you ain't in the government, if you ain't working for Ford or who else paid, Amazon, all them type of places with the benefits and the decent pay, if you ain't got one of those main jobs and ain't a lot of them around, then you ain't doing nothing. You really don't have anything. So it's time for you to start looking on your own. And even if you do got one of those type of jobs that seem to be a little bit more secure than the rest of them, you still need to be planning. Especially, I know I was a government worker, and we had sequestration and all that other mess where they lay you off and government shut down and all that. We ain't never know. Every time we came to work, it was something about, there may be a layoff, or that was the most depressing thing I could ever hear. So I always told myself, let me make sure I get me some other forms of income. So, and right now, I have a couple of them I'm working on more, and you should always be working on more. You know what I mean? I ain't saying get out here and focus on so many different avenues that you can't even get one stream generating and flowing correctly. You definitely need to hyper focus on one idea at a time, but then once you get it rolling, then you can kind of start venturing out. You know what I mean? So my point is, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just do it, y'all. That's my word for the day. I appreciate y'all for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and I truly do appreciate y'all. The comments and stuff and the feedback I get from y'all really keeps me going. So I really appreciate that. Thank y'all.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.